Welcome to the GotTrouble.org Consumer Law section. GotTrouble is a fully integrated resource aimed at helping people through the pain and complexity of life-changing legal and financial trouble. Consumer laws. Consumer laws aim to protect consumers against those who exploit, overreach, and illegally misrepresent their products and services to unsuspecting buyers. This video summarizes some of the most important consumer law topics and explains how to protect yourself and your family from both civil and criminal predators. On our GotTrouble Consumer Law section, you'll learn about credit card fraud and identity theft. What happens should you become the victim of credit card fraud and identity theft? Learn about your civil remedies as a consumer and a victim of such crimes. Learn how to safely and promptly close your credit card accounts, prevent damage to your credit history, and determine the most effective way to notify your lenders of the theft and recover your financial losses. False advertising. In our consumer law section, you'll also learn about false advertising. What if you become the victim of misleading and fraudulent advertising? Here, you will learn about your legal rights and the remedies you can pursue against those violating consumer laws. Consumer warranties. In our consumer warranty section, you will learn how to protect yourself from one-sided and unfair product and service warranties, and under what circumstances customer warranty claims can be legally enforceable against the seller. You will also learn your legal remedies if you have incurred financial losses and what actions you can take to recover these losses. Purchasing a defective vehicle. What if you purchase a defective vehicle? Our consumer law section examines what is popularly known as lemon law. These are the rules and regulations governing the sale and purchase of defective and unrepairable new and used vehicles, and the remedies available to car buyers under federal and state consumer protection laws. New and used car sales. In our consumer law section, you will also find valuable car buying tips on how to save money while protecting yourself against pushy and overreaching sales tactics. You will also find a helpful glossary of terms to assist you in understanding common car sales terms and car dealer practices. And knowing the inside industry vocabulary will give you an edge in negotiating the best possible deal on your car purchase. Car repair scams. Learn how to spot common car repair scams before becoming a victim. Know your consumer right to obtain a written estimate of repairs and your right to approve all of the proposed repairs before any repair work is commenced on your vehicle. You also have the right to be informed whether the repair shop intends to order new or used parts to repair your vehicle before you agree to the repair work. Consumer privacy rights. Information sharing technology has its benefits. It also has its dangers when sensitive consumer records are sold and shared between companies. Our consumer advice section explains how you can protect your private medical health and credit records from falling into the hands of private data brokers who will sell your private data to the highest bidders. Learn how to protect your consumer privacy rights and what to do if you learn your private records have been unlawfully disclosed to others. Debtors' rights. Do debtors have consumer protections against creditors? Absolutely. What happens when a consumer finds themselves in debt and wishes to work out a reasonable payment plan, but is faced with an overly aggressive creditor? Learn your consumer rights should you face harassing phone calls at home or work. Learn how to distinguish between lawful and unlawful creditor threats, what you can do to stop creditor harassment, and, in some cases, recover money damages against collection agencies and creditors who violate consumer collection laws. Small Claims Court. Here, you will learn about Small Claims Court and how it provides consumers with a cost-effective way to quickly adjudicate relatively low-dollar disputes without retaining a lawyer's professional services. In our consumer section, you will learn about the jurisdictional minimum and maximum claim amounts, the consequences of losing your case, and whether you can legally appeal your case from a small claims ruling. Finally, we turn to GotTrouble's Helpful Services and Resource section. Our Consumer Law Helpful Services section offers free tips and consumer advice, including valuable links to local consumer attorneys, mediators, and small claims legal assistance services. You'll also find links to legal document processing and discount legal services. You will also find links to state and federal government consumer protection agencies, offering free services for consumers needing legal advice. For more information, please visit GotTrouble.org. For more insights and guidance, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.